This video we want to evaluate the definite integral from 1 to e. So look at it this way. You have dx over x. dx over x. If I were to use a u substitution and letting u equal to 1 plus ln of x, then the derivative of that would be 1 over x. So I'm letting u equal to 1 plus ln of x. Then du would equal to the derivative here of 1 is 0. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So this would be 1 over x here, dx. Now anytime you use a substitution, in this case a u substitution, you don't have to change the limits of integration. If you go ahead and use a substitution, do the procedure, and then once you get your answer in terms of u, if you go back to the original variable, you can stay with the 1 and the e. But it's always easier if you change the limits of an integration. Easier to work with. So notice in this case, the lower limit here is x equal to 1. The upper limit is x equal to e. So when x is equal to 1, put a 1 there. Natural log of 1 is 0. So it means u is equal to 1. So u is equal to 1. For the upper limit, x is equal to e. Now in terms of u, go back to the substitution and put an e here. Natural log of e, base is e here, so this would be 1. 1 and 1 are 2, is 2, so this would be u equal to 2. Now we can plug in and keep change rather the limits from 1 to e and change it to 1 to 2. Put a 1 here and a 2 here. And the 1 plus ln of x, that would be the u. That would be u squared. And the dx right here over x would be the du. And then we just simple integration with respect to u. Add 1 to the 2. We get 3. Divide by 3. You get this. This is a definite integral, so we don't have constant of integration. And then this is going to be evaluated from 1 to 2. So evaluated at 2. 2 to the third is 8 over 3. Then it's minus the value at the lower limit. Put a 1 there. 1 to the third is 1. This will be 1/3. Then we do the subtraction there. 8 over 3 minus 1/3 is 7 over 3. That's your final answer. The value of the definite integral is 7/3. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.